Welcome back. Today in SQL Server tutorial we'll talk about SQL clauses. First SQL clause we will learn today is SQL where clause. And we use this clause to filter data from the table to return only rows that fulfill a specified condition. You can see that inside the table we have a list of persons. And let's say we want to show only persons where country is England. All we need to do is type where clause in select command after name of table and specify that column country is equal England. Important to remember here, when type of column is string, we need to set value inside the single quotes, like in this example. And if we, for example, remove these single quotes, we'll get error. So again, we will return single quotes. And if we execute select command, you can see that we have rows where country has value England. If we want to create SQL query with 2 or more conditions, in that case we use SQL AND condition. So here we can add one more condition. Let's say where age is greater than 25. All we need to do is type AND clause and specify that age column is greater than 25. Now when we execute the command, we should get all rows where country is England and age is greater than 25. In this example, we should get only this row where ID is 5. We use SQL OR condition to create a SQL statement to return rows from the table when any condition is satisfied. Now if we, for example, instead England set some other country that doesn't exist inside the table, and if we execute command, you can see that we don't get any result from the table. So here, instead England, I'm gonna send Finland, because this country doesn't exist inside the table. And if we execute select command, you can see that we don't have any result. That's because first condition is not satisfied. But if we instead AND clause use OR clause here, we'll get some results from the table because one of these conditions is satisfied, in this example second condition. So here we change the country and also we change clause. Instead AND clause we set OR clause. And now if we execute command, we returned all rows where age is greater than 25. You can see inside the header of table we have name of every column. So let's say we have presentation of table, and inside the table there is some confusing or big names for specific columns. To make easier presentation, we can change name of every column we want and assign new name. So when we execute select command, we will have new assigned column names in query window. To achieve that, we use SQL as clause. So let's say we want instead the name assign the first name value. All we need to do is type as close here and assign the new value. Now when we execute select command, you can see here instead the name we have first name header for this column. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have some questions, leave a comment. Thank you for watching and see you next time.